In this video, I'll be showing you how I create this faux edges ponytail. Now this is for alopecia friendly people. This is for balding, thinning, shedding, breakage, or you just got bald patches around your hairline or in the crown area. I am here for all of that. Whatever your situation is, your girl got you. So if y'all want to see how I created this hairstyle right here, and y'all like the way it's looking, you want to see if you can achieve the same look, then go ahead and pull up a chair, grab your popcorn and your favorite drink, and let's get started with the video. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm looking at the hairstyle, and this is one thing critical when you're creating these faux edges. You want to make sure once you think you're done to take a step back, right, and look at your hairstyle again. Now the swoops are like perfect. I mean, I have hair graduating to the swoop into the ponytail on both sides, so the swoops are amazing. But it's like right here in the front, I'm getting a little disconnect. See how choppy it is when you step back? That's what you don't want. So go back in with your got-to-be glue, and we're gonna swoop it starting from, let's go like right up in this area. And I'm gonna bring the hair this way. So this is how you want to lay your hairs. The same direction you want to lay your baby hairs. The same direction you want to create your baby hairs, the same way you want to lay your hair, if that makes any damn sense. But y'all get it. And I'm just gonna lay some hair right up in here. And I'm gonna hit it with the freeze spray and just let it get a little tacky before you try to start swooping it. That's a lot of dang on freeze spray, but that's okay. I wasn't expecting it to shoot out that far. All right, so just leave it. Don't cut it, don't do anything to it. Just leave it, and once it dries, then we can get our toothbrush and we can start forming that swoop and getting it all together. But yeah, make sure y'all take a step back and look at your hairstyle when you think you're done. 9 times out of 10, you probably got one more step to do. So I'm gonna go in with some of this Shining Jam. Just putting a little of that on my toothbrush, and that's what I'm going to use to form this swoop. Just going to take some of this lasting freeze spray, hit the end of that hair, and then take the back of the rat tail comb and smooth it, just so it can lay flat. You can hold it if you need some guidance, and then drag that right into the other hairs. This is what we have so far. I am going to hit the hair with this Beauty and Soft Ultimate Conditioning Sheen Spray because, you know, sometimes it'll leave a white cast from the got-to-be glue gel, from the freeze spray, all of that. So you want to go in and condition the hair and make sure the hair doesn't look dry and it doesn't flick. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we'll go right over top of that with the old school. Now we can do the freeze spray, but I want to do the old school, pump it up, because I want it to really, really set and have all the hairs in place, and I do not want a lot of flyaways. To dry that faster, I'm going in with my handheld blow dryer, And I'm just going to run that over the hair, making sure I get down all the flyaways and lock this thing in place. All right, so let me show y'all what I came here to do. We about to kick this hairstyle up about 10 notches. Cute, but this ain't what I was going for. So the hairs that I have for the ends of these faux edges, let me just go ahead and just pin those out the way, because I will be using those here very soon. That a little twist, and we're gonna pin it out the way with one of these little banana clips. All right, so here we go. This is what we have is our bun. Hair is moved out the way. Does this look familiar to you guys? This was the same ponytail that I used when I just created that swoop, the side swoop plus the curly ponytail. I removed the 613 and just used the 27 and the 30 color in here, and that matches my hair perfect. So what you want to do to get this on your hair, because the elastic is super jumbo, you want to go ahead and twist it, because I don't have a lot of hair. My ponytail is not that big. So go ahead and twist it and get it all the way down to the base, the twist. Now how to put this on, you don't want to put it on just regular this way. No, what you want to do is bring it from the front, lay it across the front right here. It's already pre-twisted. Put it around your bun, and you're gonna pull it tight, and you're gonna start wrapping. Now let me see, I can probably turn this way for y'all. I'm just wrapping that taut around my bun. Really pulling it, because I have a lot of elastic. Once we have that, this is what you should have. What we're gonna do now is just take the front and flip it over, and that's going to cover your bun. Now that I got the ponytail on and our ends of our faux edges out the way, pinned out the way, I'm just making sure that I'm smoothing the hair down. That way it doesn't lift or come up. I am going to hit it with some more of the free spray. I'm holding it with my comb, and we're just going to smooth it, just making sure none of these hairs lift. I'm going to do that again to the other side. Just giving it a little check. See, I think it's a little lumpy right here. So I'm gonna go in with some of this Pump It Up, because it gives it a stronger hold. Taking my rat tail comb as I'm holding my edges, hold them, and just rake over the hair, slowly smoothing with the back of the tip, like this, right into the ponytail, holding it for a few seconds, or you can get the blow dryer that'll help you speed up the process, and then you can let it go. Just like that. Keeping these pinned out the way, we're just gonna take a section of this hair and we're gonna wrap it around the base of our ponytail. Get to the end right here. We're gonna just take a little bobby pin, one of these closed bobby pins, and pin it. All right, y'all. So this is how the style is looking, right? So now that I have the ponytail secure, the edges are laid, the free spray has been put on the edges. I blow dried it dry. Now we have left is just the ends of our faux edges. So I'm not gonna leave them straight. They look pretty cute straight. You can just feather them out like this and do what you want to do, but I'm gonna try to take it one step further and go in with this Red by Kiss wand curl, and that's just to add some curls on the end of the hair like this. So I'm gonna try to attempt it. This does not have a controller on the temperature setting, so once I turn it on, which it is on now, I'm gonna have to like immediately start to try to roll these ends before it really gets hot, because this is synthetic express braiding hair and it's going to burn. So I can actually feel these getting hot already. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to attempt to roll the hair around the Alright, so I just curled this one. I had to recurl this one because it wasn't giving any kind of curl. I actually turned the wand off, and as it was cooling, I hit the hair, and it curled the hair perfect. So I want a little bit more volume on the top of this ponytail, so I am going to back comb just a little bit right at the root, and that way the hair will stand up a little bit more. Let me know what y'all think. Go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you are new, so you do not miss out on any other content that I have coming to this channel. And if y'all are coming back for the umpteenth time because you've been rocking with your girl from day one, then thank y'all for keep hanging in there. Thank y'all for supporting this channel, and thank y'all for rocking out with your girl.